So in a previous video, I mentioned how I got, hello pickles, this is why I get nothing done. So yeah, I'd mentioned how I got this engine squared away. It's ready to get installed. I'm just finishing up the engine bay, prepping some stuff. I had to repin a couple of connectors, like injector connectors, because I cracked a couple of those like retainer tabs. That was a pain in the butt. And like these plastic covers, I had to replace a couple of them from the harness that came on the engine that they snipped at the yard. That was fun. And so I did finally finish taking out this frickin' HVAC box, or whatever the crap it's called. I'm gonna say one thing. When the engineers designed this car, they were out for vengeance on mechanics for whatever reason, dude. I don't know what we did to piss them off this time. That was like 20 years ago. You can only imagine what they're doing nowadays. Judas Priest, but anyway, I have to make a separate video on this because every video on the internet starts just like this. They're like, look at the HVAC box I just got out. It's so hard. You have to unhook everything. But there it is. And that's usually how they end the video. They don't give you any information. That's like at least like a good video with good information, 3 to 5 minutes in of itself. So, jeez, so frustrating. And while I'm at it, I think I'm just gonna remove the seats, carpet, and all the plastic trim pieces just to be thorough. If it's for my wife and kids, might as well go the extra mile and sanitize everything. All right, so I've officially gotten everything out of the car. Seats, carpet, plastic trim, everything is out. And this freaking pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger. It's like the blob. Been cleaning everything with the old Pine Sol Original Ultra Fresh. Kills 99% of germs and COVID. It's the real deal. When I was in the Army, they said this stuff cured cancer, man, you know? Anywho, yeah, it's just a metal shell, and I've sanitized everything, cleaned everything. I guess if this is the first video that you're watching, it might be kind of confusing. I bought this Gx470 from my neighbor for 650 bucks. The engine blew up, and it's been sitting in her field for a couple years, and mice have gotten in it. So I'm just cleaning and sanitizing everything. Biggest thing was the HVAC box, getting that out and cleaning it up. So yeah, it's all coming together. And so I'm gonna start taking that apart and cleaning it, and we'll see what happens. So I've literally taken this whole car apart, and I haven't found anything that's been chewed on except for this. I don't know if you can see those marks down there, but the rat or mouse chewed on this edge so that it won't seal. And you know what? That's okay, because this vent here is for like to switch between outside air or keeping the air inside. I've never really messed with that, so whatever. It's cool with me. If that's the only thing that they've chewed up so far, I'm happy with that. But yeah, like this whole thing has been stripped apart, man. And this is the only thing I've found so far that's been chewed on, so fingers crossed. Maybe I should buy a lotto ticket or not. I don't know. Am I lucky or super unlucky? I don't know. We'll see. All right, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a pretty long day as far as cleaning components goes. There's the HVAC system all taken apart. And no, I did not submerge the electronic pieces. I removed them beforehand. It doesn't smell like piss anymore. It smells like bleach and Pine Sol, which is what we want. Nice squeaky clean. I honestly can't really put anything else up front back together until the HVAC box is back against the firewall there. And then on top of that, I would like to test the AC system to make sure that it's holding vacuum with a vacuum pump before I put anything else back together, because it would be a crying shame if I put it all back together just to find out that I have to redo it all over again to replace the evaporator core. So man, it is late. I think it's like 2 or 3 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. Actually, I ran out of sleeping pills, so I'll probably just stare at the ceiling, be back at it again tomorrow. I got all this crap to clean. This pile of plastic and trim just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, so I also ran out of bleach anyways, so I gotta go to the store and buy some more, get a fresh batch of cleaning stuff. But anyways, till then, stay tuned. Yeah.